Mistakes in the production and logistics processes happen. It's simply human error. However, the customer becomes disgruntled and lodges a product complaint. He threatens to take action should another error occur. It actually seems that quality control needs attention. Instead, a large amount of money goes into processing all the complaints. It's a vicious cycle. Can you increase quality without any additional effort? Whether it's your production, incoming or outgoing goods departments, ivii's Smartdesk can make this dream a reality. During production, Smartdesk supports employees involved in the manufacturing process. Smartdesk determines the order of steps via light signals. It then checks whether the product has been assembled correctly in real time. New employees are taught the correct steps right from the start. A red signal? Something's not 100% right yet. Oops, a mistake occurred in the last production step. Green, now everything's perfect. Employees check that the right product is placed in the intended container, in the appropriate quantity, and that it's the optimal quality, all via Smartdesk. Now, let's get going. The product has arrived. The employee at the incoming goods department can use Smartdesk to check whether the right product has been delivered. It's all there. Everything's been documented and saved. In this way, the duty of proof is completed concurrently. Reduce complaints, lower costs, and optimize your processes. You too would like to increase your quality and performance? Then sign up via the contact form and find out more about ivii's Smartdesk.